Tired of your handcrafted word salads getting mistaken for delirious nonsense? Do your conspiratorial pronouncements regarding complex scientific topics lack oomph? Yearn for the days when your pronouncements on the scientific ramifications of any subject are met with rapturous applause, not bewildered stares? Well, you're in luck. There is no better way to complete a beautiful bed of word salad consisting of scientific terms arranged in a misleading and completely incoherent string of consciousness, topped with vine-ripened, cherry-picked quotations and personal incredulity croutons than with a rich, creamy dressing by Hubris Valley Ranch. Likewise, Hubris Valley Ranch can also be used to accentuate the flavor of a 30-minute monologue spent exalting your intelligence and subject matter expertise in any and all scientific fields, regardless of real-world expertise. Our patented formula contains 40% more unfounded assertions per tablespoon than leading competitors, plus added electrolytes for those marathon basement research sessions. Be sure to try our new varieties, each formulated with our patented Question Everything technology, our signature pattern recognition seasoning, our new confirmation bias-free variety for the selectively skeptical, our best-selling do-your-own research variety, perfect for those who've already done theirs on YouTube, TikTok, or whatever social media echo chamber validates them today. Now we have released our limited edition Connect the Dots blend, because sometimes the most obvious explanation is exactly what they want you to think. The more you use, the more expert you'll become in fields you've never studied. We guarantee instant confidence in all scientific debates, or your intellectual humility back. Hubris Valley Ranch is readily available in the condiment aisle of your local supermarket or favorite grocer. Hubris Valley Ranch, dress your delusions.